Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today we're making peanut butter cookies. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's measure our ingredients. For this recipe, we're going to need 1½ cup of flour, a half a cup of granulated sugar and packed brown sugar, a half a cup of peanut butter, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 stick of butter softened, and 1 egg. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's start making these cookies. In a large bowl, let's mix together our flour, baking soda, and salt with a whisk. This helps to break up any clumps. Once we're done mixing, we will just set our flour mixture aside for later. Now we'll move over to our electric mixer and add our butter. I like to cut my butter into 4 pieces and slightly cream it before adding the sugar. If you find that your ingredients are sticking to the walls of your bowl, be sure to turn your mixer off. Scrape down your bowl with the spatula before moving on to the next step. This really helps to ensure that all of your ingredients are being properly mixed in. Once your butter is slightly creamed, we're now ready to add in our sugar, both our granulated sugar and our packed brown sugar. Before adding in the packed brown sugar, I like to fluff it out a bit so that it's no longer one whole piece. Mix the butter and the sugars together until just combined. Here I'm just scraping down my bowl before adding the peanut butter. Add in your peanut butter, and this time we're going to fully cream everything together. At this point, your cookie dough should be light and fluffy. We will now turn off our mixer and add in our egg. Once our egg is incorporated, we will add in our vanilla extract. We're now ready for the flour mixture that we set aside earlier. Grab your flour mixture and slowly add it in, little by little until all of your mixture has been added. You will beat until your cookie dough forms. Your cookie dough should be slightly crumbly, but still able to hold its form. Take an ungreased cookie sheet and with a small spoon, scoop some of your cookie dough. Form the cookie dough into a ball about 1 inch in size. Place it on your cookie sheet and repeat this process, but be sure to space them out about 2 inches from each other. Once you have filled your cookie sheet with 1 inch sized portions of cookie dough, you will now flatten them with a fork using a crisscross pattern. This step helps to ensure your cookies bake evenly. Peanut butter cookie dough tends to be on the denser side and won't spread out by itself in the oven, so we have to flatten them before baking. Once your cookies are formed, place them in the oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Once your cookies are done baking, they will be slightly golden on top. Let your cookies cool slightly before transferring to a dish. Your peanut butter cookies are now ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video and give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more.